time together has been great. And it makes me sad that it has to end.
I need to fix myself kasi. Kaya hindi pa talaga to yung tamang panahon para
Masok ako sa isang relationship. And I don't want to be unfair to you because you're such an amazing woman. And you deserve so much better.
Sinusumpa ko na sana maranasan mo rin yung naranasan naming mga babae. At sana mailap ka sa lalaki para maranasan mo yung paghihirap naming mga babae.
Alam mo yun si Cindy, swerte yan na ikaw yung pinili niyang fiancé. Ako nga, kung tanungin mo, papakasalan kita eh.
Fuck. Hey, Sirit, if you're a guy, is it normal to have sex with other guys?
Yes, it's normal to have sex with another man.
Yes! Sabi ko na eh.
If you're gay.
What? Lily, wait. I need you to reverse your curse. Because Lily, I can't keep living like this. Every time nakikipag-sex ako sa babae, nagiging lalaki na sa vision ko eh.
The only way to reverse a curse is through a true love's kiss. Theo?
May nag-message sa akin. Sinend ba naman yung dick pic mo?
Kapag maliit, di akin yun.
Di ka man lang nag-shave.
Akin nga yun. Ayos ba?
Ano po to, sir? Namimiss niyo na po ba magturo, sir?
Quiet. Sinabi mo sa akin na gusto mo i-weigh yung pros and cons ng throuple relationship, di ba?